Hi Eastview, this is Mrs. Chudy. I'm bringing you a math lesson here on Friday. We are on 4.11, 4.11. Mrs. Knight has been working on math with you and I'm just continuing along. Today's lesson we're going to talk a lot about adding, so I'm just going to start working up here on my paper, and if you need to pause me and get a paper and pencil you can do that and come back, or you can watch me and just follow along. So adding, we did in my classroom quite a bit of adding before we ended up on the close. So I just want to put up here on the paper just a quick problem adding. So I'm going to start with some blocks, 1 and 2, and then my adding sign, that plus sign, and then I'm going to put 2 more, 1, 2, and then my equal sign. And then when I bring these all together, when I count them up and I add them, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to bring that over here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now if I want to put the numbers in there and make it an addition sentence, I can do that too. I don't need to use the pictures. So I could put 2 plus 2 equals 4. Now the actual module page is up here, so I'm going to move my camera so you can see it better. So on the module page, it's talking about, again, those squares, but they've added some number bonds onto these. So these squares represent cubes. Draw a line to break the stick into 2 parts. Complete the number bond and the number sentence. So I can break it any which way I want to break it, and I'm going to go right up here and I'm going to break it right in half. So if I'm counting, I have 1, 2, 3, and then on the other side of my break I have 1, 2, 3. If I put those all together and I add them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's where my 6 is coming from. That's the total. That's what it equals. Down here in my number bond, those are the parts. So I have to take that first part before the break, 1, 2, 3, and put that into the number bond. And then the other side of the break, 1, 2, 3, and put that into the number bond. So now down at the bottom, they just want me to fill in the parts. So 6, which is the same, is, we're missing these parts. Your parts are here. So we have 3, 6 is 3, and 3. So at home, Mom or Dad could help you finish with the module page. I'm just going to highlight it here so you can see it. So here's another problem to give a try at home. And then down below they have 2 more problems, so I'm just highlighting them so you can see them. Mom and Dad could help you do these at home. And here's the last one. So your extension activity would be working on the other 3 problems at home. Adding, we did the first problem together with some pictures. I'm trying to break it back so you can see it better. So your number sentence was down here. We used some pictures to add up here. So I hope you keep working at home. We have a lot of adding going on, but if you wanted to count by ones to 100, that's part of your report card. And adding up to 5 would be on your report card. So any of those extension activities would be great to work on at home. I'll see you soon.